Did you know that AI trading bots can analyze market trends faster than any human trader? Some have even reported making profits consistently by executing trades in milliseconds. Today, we're going to dive into the world of AI trading bots, and specifically, we're going to take a close look at the Pocket Option AI trading bot. This bot is designed to make trading easier, faster, and more profitable for its users. But can it really live up to its promises? That's what we're going to explore in this video. The Pocket Option AI trading bot is essentially a software program that uses artificial intelligence to analyze market trends and execute trades on your behalf. It's designed to take the emotions out of trading, allowing you to make more rational and data-driven decisions. But what makes it different from other trading bots on the market? In theory, the Pocket Option AI trading bot can be a game changer for traders. It can analyze huge amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and trends that would be impossible for a human trader to detect. It can also execute trades at lightning-fast speeds, taking advantage of opportunities that might otherwise be missed. But before we dive deeper into the features and benefits of the Pocket Option AI trading bot, let's talk about the skepticism surrounding trading bots in general. Many traders are hesitant to use bots because they've had bad experiences in the past or have heard horror stories from friends and colleagues. One of the biggest concerns is that trading bots are often seen as a get-rich-quick scheme. People are promised easy profits with minimal effort, but in reality, it's just not that simple. Trading bots require a deep understanding of the markets, and even then, there are no guarantees of success. Another common issue is that many trading bots are simply not transparent. They use proprietary algorithms that are not explained to the user, making it difficult to understand how the bot is making its decisions. This lack of transparency can be a major turnoff for traders who value control and flexibility. Many traders have also reported that bots can be prone to overtrading, which can lead to significant losses. This can happen when the bot is set to execute trades too frequently, without proper risk management in place. Additionally, some bots can be overly reliant on technical indicators, which can be misleading or even false. This can lead the bot to make decisions based on flawed data, resulting in poor performance. Furthermore, trading bots can be vulnerable to flash crashes and other market anomalies. These sudden and unexpected events can catch the bot off guard, leading to significant losses. Some traders have also reported that bots can be difficult to set up and configure, requiring a high level of technical expertise. This can be a barrier to entry for many traders who are not familiar with coding or programming. Moreover, many bots are not adaptable to changing market conditions. They are designed to operate within a specific set of parameters, but when the market changes, the bot may not be able to adjust accordingly. Another issue is that some bots are not designed for the retail trader. They are built for institutional clients, and the minimum investment requirements are often prohibitively high. In addition, some bots have been known to use high-pressure sales tactics, promising unrealistic returns to lure in unsuspecting traders. This can be a major red flag for anyone considering using a trading bot. Some traders have also reported that bots can be difficult to monitor and evaluate. It can be hard to determine whether the bot is performing well or poorly, making it difficult to make adjustments or improvements. Furthermore, many bots are not regulated, which can make it difficult to determine their legitimacy or credibility. This lack of oversight can be a major concern for traders who value safety and security. In light of these challenges, it's clear that the Pocket Option AI trading bot has its work cut out for it. But how does it address these concerns, and what makes it different from other trading bots on the market? The Pocket Option AI trading bot uses a combination of machine learning algorithms and technical indicators to analyze market trends and execute trades. It's designed to be highly adaptable, adjusting to changing market conditions in real time. One of the key features of the bot is its ability to learn from its mistakes. It uses a feedback loop to continuously improve its performance, adapting to the trader's preferences and risk tolerance. The bot also offers a high degree of transparency, allowing users to see exactly how it's making its decisions. This can be a major advantage for traders who value control and flexibility. In addition, the Pocket Option AI trading bot has been designed with the retail trader in mind. It's accessible to anyone, regardless of their level of experience or investment amount. The bot has also received positive reviews from users, many of whom have reported significant profits using the system. Of course, there are always going to be some losses, but overall, the feedback has been very encouraging. Some experts have also weighed in on the bot's performance, noting its ability to adapt to changing market conditions and its robust risk management system. One of the most compelling case studies is from a trader who used the bot to generate consistent profits over a 6-month period. The trader reported that the bot was able to adapt to changing market conditions, navigating volatile periods with ease. Another study found that the bot was able to outperform a group of human traders in a simulated trading environment. The bot's ability to analyze market trends and execute trades quickly and accurately gave it a clear advantage. However, it's not all good news. Some users have reported that the bot can be prone to overtrading, especially during periods of high market volatility. This can lead to significant losses if not managed properly. Another drawback is that the bot requires a significant amount of data to function effectively. This can be a challenge for traders who are new to the markets or who don't have access to high-quality data feeds. Despite these limitations, the Pocket Option AI trading bot has shown promising results. But can it really make money for its users? In summary, the Pocket Option AI trading bot has the potential to be a powerful tool for traders. It's designed to be highly adaptable, transparent, and accessible, making it an attractive option for retail traders. However, as with any trading bot, there are risks involved. It's essential to carefully evaluate the bot's performance, risk management system, and user reviews before making a decision. If you're considering using the Pocket Option AI trading bot, make sure to do your due diligence and carefully weigh the pros and cons. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences with trading bots in the comments below. Have you had any success or failures with bots in the past? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next video on trading strategies.